300 billion galaxy, one galaxy which is the Milky Way. This planet Earth is just a small part of that, and we around on this planet 800 crore people exist. Now we should make difference not by way of being authoritative, difference by way of being assertive, by acquiring knowledge, skill, and by passing on those awareness to the operations wherein we can seek comfort that whatever is expected to be implemented in accordance to the policy is in place, and we are in a very sustainable and very comfortable business environment. Growth is a necessary condition for existence, not only for individual, for business entity. Also, growth can never be compromised, because every day we need to look for incremental growth, and those growth can only happen when we understand the structure in which we are working. This large organization having around 10,000 branches and units is having its own structure, defined structure, wherein the individuals or the officials who are interested to discharge their responsibility, duties, has to do that role. They need not exceed, and that is why inspection, being independent entity, we are expected not to interfere with the operations. We are expected to play our role as it has been defined in the structure. And since all of you are present here, we have been like, this is one of the ethos of inspection, and as part of the inspection policy, we need to be courteous, we need to be polite, we need to carry etiquettes while visiting operation unit. There should not be any mass